Top 20. Android-based project ideas 1. Mobile health monitoring system. Monitor vital signs remotely using sensors on Android devices, facilitating real-time health tracking and alerts for medical emergencies. 2. Smart home automation app. Control home appliances and devices remotely via Android app, offering convenience and energy efficiency. 3. E-learning platform. Create an interactive mobile app for online education, providing access to courses, quizzes, and resources anytime, anywhere. 4. Expense tracker. Manage personal finances efficiently with an Android app that tracks expenses, sets budgets, and generates reports for better financial planning. 5. Tourism guide. Application. Explore destinations with ease using an Android app that provides information on attractions, maps, local guides, and travel recommendations. 6. Food delivery service. App. Order food from local restaurants seamlessly with an Android app offering menus, reviews, delivery tracking, and payment integration. 7. Language learning app. Master new languages through interactive lessons, quizzes, and practice exercises on an Android app tailored for language learners. 8. Fitness tracker app. Monitor fitness goals, track workouts, and analyze health metrics using sensors and algorithms on an Android fitness app. 9. Parking assistance system. Find available parking spots in crowded areas using an Android app equipped with real-time parking availability updates and navigation features. 10. Music streaming service. Enjoy unlimited music streaming and personalized playlists on an Android app, offering a vast library of songs and offline listening options. 11. Event management app. Organize and manage events efficiently with an Android app that handles invitations, RSVPs, schedules, and attendee communication. 12. Social networking platform. Connect with friends and share moments through a custom Android social media app featuring profiles, feeds, messaging, and content sharing. 13. Task manager. Boost productivity and organization with an Android app that helps users manage tasks, set reminders, and prioritize activities. 14. Weather forecast app. Stay informed about weather conditions and forecasts worldwide with an Android app offering real-time updates, radar maps, and weather alerts. 15. Medication reminder system. Ensure medication adherence and health management with an Android app that sends reminders and tracks medication schedules. 16. Language translation app. Break down language barriers and facilitate communication with an Android app offering text and speech translation in multiple languages. 17. Ride-sharing service app. Simplify transportation and reduce commuting costs with an Android app for carpooling and ride-sharing, featuring driver, passenger matching, and payment options. 18. Mobile banking application. Access banking services securely on the go with an Android app offering account management, transactions, and financial insights. 19. Document scanner. Digitize documents effortlessly using an Android app that scans, crops, and converts images into PDF files for easy storage and sharing. 20. Augmented reality navigation app. Navigate indoor and outdoor spaces with precision using an Android app that overlays navigation instructions and points of interest onto the camera view, enhancing user orientation and exploration.